Hello, SakaFete. Hi, I'm Roma and welcome to my kitchen. Today I will be making a coconut bake. If you want to see how I make this recipe, keep watching. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Now let's get baking. These are all the ingredients that I will be using to make the coconut bake. The exact amount will be listed in the description bar below. Fresh coconut, all-purpose flour, butter, sugar, baking powder, salt, and eggs. First thing I'm going to do is get my coconut ready. What I'm going to do is grind it. I'm going to do it in my magic bullet, the little blender. Okay, that looks good. First thing I'm going to do is put my flour in. Pour that in there. And then baking powder. First we're going to add the salt and the sugar. Salt, sugar. Before I put the butter in, I'm just going to give it a little stir, get everything blended nicely. Baking powder and sugar, and then just drop that butter in. Next thing, I'm going to put my eggs. So I'm just going to crack these eggs. Then coconut. So you just pour it in. Okay, now I'm just gonna put that up. Now you can knead that by hand. So next step, I'm gonna take my dough and just put it in a bowl. What I'm going to do is put some flour on it. Now when you put your coconut into your flour mixture, you don't have to add any other liquid. But if you find it's not the consistency you want in your dough, it's going to be nice and soft enough. You can add a little bit of water, but not too much, because then it could get too soft. We're going to cover that and leave it for about 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, I'm going to do the next step, which is get my pan ready. I'm going to use a round cake pan because I'm doing it round. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, before I get started, I'm going to wash my hands. I spread a little flour. I can feel all the coconut pieces. That's gonna be so nice. Now a bake is something, it's like bread, but it's instead of yeast, it's baking powder, and it's something we would have it with codfish, herring, smoked herring. You can have it with corned beef, just about anything. I mean, I can do this and just eat it with a little bit of butter. And the coconut really gives it a really nice flavor. So what I'm gonna do is just press it. Press down on it. You can also, if you wanted to do it in a loaf, you could roll it out and then make a loaf. But I'm gonna do it round because then I can cut it like in wedges. And then I'm gonna make my saltfish while this is in the oven. Make sure it's gonna fit into my pan, and just transfer it into this one now. And this is what I'm gonna bake it in. and it fits perfect, so that's good. And then again, I'm just going to leave it, cover it, and let it sit for another 30 minutes, and then I will put it in the oven. Okay. So we are baking at 350, and it should take about 40-45 minutes to an hour to bake. I'm just going to make some codfish. I soaked it overnight, boiled it out, and now I'm just gonna get it all ready so I can have it my bake for lunch. Oh, look at that, steaming hot, babe. Look at that. Okay guys, here it is, our finished product, coconut bake. Thank you for watching, and until we see you again next time, God bless.